Hello, welcome in my new video. In this video, I will discuss about ONGC Scholarship 2021. So, I have already covered all these things, but I will cover in this video what are the changes has been done in the application form. So, let's start the video. You will have to go on ongcscholarship.org and just click on Apply Scholarship. You will see here many categories: ST, SC, OBC, general category. In which category you are belonging, you know. So you will have to click on that. I have already discussed what are the rules and regulation and minimum criteria for filling up the application form. So if you don't know, so go to my previous video and watch it right now. So and now I will discuss what are the changes has been done in this year. So there are two changes has been done here. Declaration of applicant from college to NGC Foundation, and another one is undertaking of applicant. It should be self-attested declaration. Here if you will click, then the declaration form will be automatically downloaded, and here if you will click, then undertaking will be automatically downloaded. Okay, here you can see I have downloaded already. So let's start first one, declaration. Okay, what is the declaration form? So you can see this is the declaration form, and you know your name, your father name, first year courses, all these things you know. Okay, there is no need to explain more anymore. And here your signature of your principal, dean, or director will. Okay, and here it's your institution seal, just like a mohar you can see. And here name, designation, mobile number, this all these things be related to principal or dean of your college. And they will mention date and place also. Now let's take another thing. What are the changes? Undertaking. Undertaking by you, undertaking from student. You will have to fix up your photograph recent. Okay, and you will have to fill all these things, you know about that. And you will have to signature here, and date, place, full name, it should be in capital letter, your mobile. You know, mobile number is very crucial to you. In I have already discussed about this. You will be contacted through your mobile number and your email. First of all, you will be contacted through your mobile number, so be careful about that. It should be regular in use. So I have already discussed two things. Now I will go to annexure 1. Okay, I will discuss here only two things: declaration part and this thing, 3 or 4th page. Here you will have to sign. Okay, and here you just tick this one. Now here your signature of your principal, dean, or head. Okay, here it's a seal, just like muhar you can say. And you just here all these things, serial number 1 to 9, all these things should be attested, self attested. Let's consider, just like you have already filled up your application form in digital form. Okay, in soft copy you have already uploaded. So after that, you will have to send all these things in hard copy to ONGC Foundation. The address part will be given in at below. Okay, so you will have to send hard copy of your caste certificate. All these things should be self-attested. Proof of age. Proof of age will be date of birth. Okay, class 10th mark sheet or birth certificate. Okay, qualifying marks should be just like for if you are engineering student and a medical student, it will be your class 12th mark sheet. And okay, so and if you are in master degree, then your BTech or just like a previous degree will be your qualifying marks. Okay, now annual income certificate, I have already discussed about that. ECS form, I have already discussed about that. You should go and check it in this video. ECS form should be attested by your government, uh, just like your bank official. Okay, copy of PAN card, Aadhaar card, and these things I have already discussed here. Declaration and undertaking. So I have already discussed all these things. Now I will consider some questions which has been asked in comment section below. Okay, so let's analysis of that also. So here I have got many comments also. So first of all, is Avinash Kushwaha is telling that high school and intermediate का marksheet बीटेक वाले कॉलेज से अटेस्टेड कराना है या जिस स्कूल हाई स्कूल. ओके, okay, I have already replied. Okay, here I have replied that you will have to certify, just like certify all these things, or not all these things, only mm, you know in intermediate mark sheet and birth approved from gazetted officer. Actually, I think there is no need right now, but if you will shortlisted, and then there will be document verification. Okay, at that time you should be, yeah, you must have sign your that these things with the gazetted officer A category, just like BDO, government doctor. Okay, and undertaking a 5 page wala, I have already discussed here that here, yes, these things you will have to certify from your college. So next, what is the next comment? I think I have already replied all these comments, but let's consider again. Third year BTech student, no, only first year student can apply. Okay, acknowledge let number में getting not. Okay, so if you are not getting, so register again, you will get it. I think so. Yeah, it's not available for BA LLB student. Sorry. I have already gone. Yes, I have also got this scholarship. Okay, so I think this year I have completed our process. What next? Okay, actually, a renewal process had not started yet. I can give you guarantee that renewal process have not started yet. I am in regular contact with ONGC officials. Okay, so be aware about that. I have already replied that renewal process had not started yet. Okay, bro, how to get acknowledgement number? You not shown in the first time to apply, so please say. Okay, yeah, I think if you are not getting acknowledgement number, I think if you will apply here and just you will have to click here and just apply here. Okay, you will see that here all these things will be asked, and after submitting all these things, you will get your what I can say, acknowledgement number. Okay, what is the last date, bro? It's 6th of August, I think so. I think I have replied. Okay, it's I will have to correct. It's a 6th of August. Sorry for that. I will correct it. Okay, so I think I have covered all these things. If any more problem, if any more query, you have, then you should ask in comment box again. So here it's a, I think I have already covered these things. Okay, and I have already covered about ECS form. So if you don't know, please go in my previous video and watch it right now. Thank you. Thank you.